What's going on, guys? This is Dereco Cherry coming at you from DerecoCherry.com, and on this video I'm going to share with you my very best tips on how you can generate leads for your network marketing business in your sleep. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so generating leads in your sleep, is it possible? Can you do it? Of course you can. Of course you can generate leads in your sleep. I do it all the time. So the main purpose of this video, like I said earlier, is to share with you some tips and strategies that you can use so you can do the exact same thing. All right, so I'm gonna start off, come out the gate firing. The very best way to generate passive leads while you sleep is by far blogging. Blogging is probably the #1 way to generate leads online, in my opinion. Now, someone else will probably argue me with something different. Someone may say something around paid ads, which, that's, it's truly, that's effective too. But, there's a learning curve with paid ads. But blogging, nothing beats it hands down. Why? Because blogs, once I hit that publish button, it actually stays out there forever. So if you're sitting here, if you're checking out this video right now on my blog, somebody else 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years on down the road is going to be looking at this exact same content. I produced the content one time and it keeps working for me over and over and over again. And when you set your blog up right with a self-hosted blog, then you pretty much own it. You own all the content. You can never be shut down for anything, unlike social media or anything like that. Or if you stop paying for ads, they stop showing people your ads and they stop driving people to your website. Not with blogging. Like I said, once I hit publish, that stays up there pretty much forever. Okay. So blogging, that's the #1 way to generate leads online while you sleep. Number 2, it's going to be YouTube. YouTube, now, like I said, it has some of the same similarities as blogging, whereas, I put these videos out just like this one, like I mentioned earlier, and they work for you 24/7. The only downside to using YouTube is you don't own it, like with any other social media platform. You can't get your YouTube account banned. You can't get your videos flagged for whatever reason. So you have to be careful about that. But next to blogging, YouTube videos, because YouTube is owned by Google. Google is built on search. And so is YouTube. So when someone puts in a question like how to generate leads online, your content can come up, your videos can come up. That's what makes YouTube so powerful, versus say like Facebook Lives. Now, I'm not saying anything's wrong with Facebook Lives or any other type of live platforms like Instagram stories or anything like that. But the biggest advantage YouTube has over these other platforms is that YouTube is searchable. You can't really search for something online like how to generate leads online and a Facebook Live post come up. Very rarely if that ever happens. So that's what makes YouTube so powerful. Okay, the third tip I'm gonna share with you is blog commenting. You can actually go out here and leave good comments on people's blogs. Now, here's some tips and strategies that you can use when you're talking about leaving blog comments. You don't want to leave stuff that just says things like, great post and then a link to your website. That's not very helpful. What you want to do is leave a thoughtful comment, actually engage in the article, ask a question, expand on that question, or ask some additional questions. And then what this does is that piques curiosity, because people see like, this person just left a dope comment on there. Let me go over and check out and see what he's got going on. And another way you think about blog commenting is that it's the first impression. So you can actually tap into someone else's audience and you want to make a very good first impression. So do that by, leaving good comments, and then you can leave a link back to your website on that. So it's a great way of doing, of generating leads and driving more traffic. Now, I will say it does take time. You do have to do it consistently over a period of time. So this is not a fast strategy with blog commenting or, blogging of that matter. All this stuff takes time. The fourth tip that I'm gonna share with you is article submission. So you can actually go out here and actually submit articles to directories. I've actually used several of these things like Ensign articles and Street articles, just to name a few that comes off the top of my head. Now, keep in mind, article marketing is not as effective as it used to be. But it still works to a certain extent. And typically what you do is you go in and actually create an article, a helpful article, education article, where you help your target audience, and then you put that article in the directory with links back to your website. And like I said, again, you do this over a period of time to actually see results off of it, but you can absolutely generate leads passively while you sleep using that strategy right there. So I hope you got some value out this video. Let me go ahead and wrap this up and just recap what I talked about here. Blogging, that's my #1 way of actually generating leads online. #2, using YouTube because it's built on search. #3, you want to do blog commenting. #4, you want to submit articles, to article directories right there. So I hope you got some value out this video. I hope it was helpful. Did I miss something below? What's your favorite way of actually generating leads passively online while you sleep? Share them down below, let everybody know. And if you haven't subscribed to me here on YouTube, check me out. Hit the little subscribe button so you get notified when I release new content. And connect with me over on my blog at DerecoCherry.com and throw your name and email address in there, and you'll get a free audio, 13 ways to generate leads online for your network marketing business. Hope you're having an awesome day. We'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.